Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the thumbnail, today I wanted to show you guys, or let's say to make an update about the Electroneum wallet. Because strangely from the beginning of June something very good is happening with this wallet, which basically, as you can see also, this wallet now pays more than 3 times the amount of coin that we can mine, or let's say that we get, because we are not actually mining them. So here we are on my wallet. I have opened it on my PC, and if we go to my wallet, you can see my payments, and now I can show you. For example, I have gotten 126 Electroneum tokens or coins on March 14th after about 2 months. So let's say around 60 coins per month. Then the next payment from March 14 was of 100 coins on June 1st, which is more than 2 months, and basically means that around 40 coins per month. But then, as you can see, after the June 1st, I have gotten my 100 tokens on June 13, which is insane, because you can see that in less than 2 weeks I have gotten 100 tokens, which per month it's like 200 tokens, maybe more. So basically we are around 4 to 5 times more coins than the previous payments. So basically you can see that now we get many more tokens. I don't know what they have done that we get so many tokens, but anyway, I think that you should profit from this. So basically, yeah, as you can see, 13th of June, 100 tokens, and from the 13th today it's 19th, so basically 6 days. In 6 days I have gotten 56 coins. So basically a little bit less than the previous payment, but anyway, it's really more coins than the previous payment. So basically I just wanted you guys to let you know that now you are able to get paid more tokens from this app. And basically for all the people that are not yet registered with the Electroneum application, it's very easy. You go on your App Store with iOS and just download the program, install it on your phone, then complete the verification with a selfie, and then you're done. You begin mining, and with the latest updates now it is not necessary to keep the app open into the background, because now we do cloud mining. We don't do mining, actually mining with our phone. So now it's basically more easy to use this app, because you just enter once a week, every 7 days, and then you just click on extend, so you can extend your cloud mining contract for another 7 days, and you don't have to use or to check something into the app. So now it's even more easier to get coins without doing anything. And obviously with this thing, now that you are going to be paid even more coins, I don't know again what they have done. So I definitely join this project, because it's very easy to get some free coins, and why not on the long in the long run, maybe we will get something out of this. And obviously it's a good opportunity for the people that have already an account with Electroneum to rejoin the program, because now you will get paid even more coins, and you don't have to do anything. You just enter again once a week and you are done. And for all the people that are new, that are going to create a new account, don't forget to use my referral code. So basically you can help me out a little bit with your mining. And after you have installed your application, you have done your verification, then you go on the lowest right section when it says more, you click on that, then you go to the referral program, and in here you will have something like scan a code or enter a code. And when you see that when you hit that button, scan a code or enter a code, if you want to scan, you can scan directly this QR code, which is my code, so you will be my referral, or you can enter this code in here, 5CCB78, so you again can be my referral. And so in this way we can help each other out a little bit. And one last thing, you can use this application with different phones, but those phones must have different phone numbers. So basically, as far as I know, you cannot use or install this app on a phone which doesn't have a phone number in it. I'm not sure that you can earn more coins if you open the same account on different phones. So my suggestion is that on different phones you use different accounts for different people. Let's say your mom, your dad, your brother. So basically you can do the verification with the selfie and so on, what they are going to ask you, and in this way you can use then your referral code to get a little bit more from the other accounts. But obviously with the first account, use my referral code. Anyway, it's only up to you. It's just a joke. You can do whatever you want. Okay then, that was it for today. Definitely join this program, guys, because again, now you don't have to do anything. You just enter once a week, extend the cloud mining contract, and just leave it there for another 7 days, and you are pretty much done. So you get yourself a chance in the long run, maybe to get a really nice return from this project. Who knows? Okay then, that was it again for today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also turn on post notification, and as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.